Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. So it looks as if the crypto market is still posting some gains. XRP still the winner here, up 15.06%. Ethereum 11.07. Bitcoin down slightly, but not enough to make a serious note of it. The market cap of the crypto space is just over 245 billion, so growing every moment. And this is great because we know new money's piling in. After 2018, we saw a huge decline, and so it's good to see this number growing because that is really what we want for a healthy crypto market. Whether our cryptocurrency of choice fluctuates up or down by a few percent here or there, this number needs to remain strong in order to keep the crypto space moving. And Bitcoin here, as you can see, this is Bitcoin on a daily, guys, and it looks as if this candlestick here, so this is the daily, well, we've only started this day here, but if you look at the day before, it's a shorter body, longer wick, longer tail, volume still relatively high. Depends on what happens today. If we still see the high volume, and if we see short wick, short tail, small body, that could be the indicator for a turnaround, momentum backing off a little bit, and we could see a bit of a correction in the crypto space. However, as you guys know, in my opinion, that is a good thing because we can't just see these things keep going up and up and up and up without any kind of correction. Guys, that's nuts. That's insanity. But let's look at XRP. So if we look at XRP on the daily, we see XRP, look at that. So yesterday we had a huge day for XRP. Today having another strong day, significant movement up, but it will indeed follow. Now it is lagging, so it might continue its move up, whereas Bitcoin is now looking to me as if it may correct. I'm not saying for sure. Of course, an XRP hitting this resistance level, so we know that it ultimately went to 45 up here, and it has met that and now retracing a bit. So what could happen? It's still anyone's guess, but we could see a correction. That would be okay. Even if we corrected XRP back down to 37.7, I think that would be okay. 38 down around here, but we know this fluctuates quite a bit, so who knows? It's anybody's guess at this moment in time. We just need to keep an eye on the charts in order to keep up to date on where price will go next. In the news, XRP hits rapid milestone of 40 cents following stock exchange confirmation of XRP-based ETN. And so the third largest cryptocurrency, XRP, has created the buzz across the global market after reaching a value of over 40 cents against the US dollar. XRP has a rapid trigger on its market value, yada yada. It is assumed that this rapid increase is due to a partnership with Börse Stuttgart, as well as Coinbase Pro's open trading service for New York customers. So if you guys don't know, Coinbase opened up its trading service. Now New Yorkers can buy XRP. The rise in XRP price is highly remarkable for its immense trading finance. It is giving a promising performance on the global market for its investors. The market value of XRP was fluctuating, and it talks a little bit about that. So Börse Stuttgart now allows trading with XRP along with Litecoin. So this is a stock exchange in Germany, the second largest in the country and the ninth largest in Europe, has finally confirmed the listing of exchange traded notes, ETNs, based on XRP along with Litecoin. So the team over there says for the first time in Germany, investors can now buy and sell exchange-traded notes, ETNs, based on the cryptocurrencies Litecoin and Ripple XRP. The four securities issued by XBT provider in Sweden track the price of the two cryptocurrencies in relation to the euro and the Swedish krona. So this is a culminating effect, not just one factor involved here, but several different factors involved, creating XRP price to spike. A lot of people were wondering if this was real world utility or not. In my opinion, it is not, unfortunately. However, it's good to see the market move. And I don't know if you guys caught DM Logic's video from yesterday. You know, even if we have another dumb bull run, I like to call them spec bull runs, before real world utility, we can still make money off our cryptocurrency. We can still trade. We can swing trade XRP if you choose. I am personally, I have targets for my XRP. I'm not going to swing trade my XRP. I don't know if you guys know the difference. I have a separate bag of cryptocurrencies, some altcoins that I am looking to trade in the next spike, and they've also done well. So everybody's got their own plan. Everybody's got their own idea of what works for them. Binance, the updates are in the works. Updates, dates for resuming deposit and withdrawals on the exchange after the hack. And so I got a little note on my Binance app on my phone today, and I think it was mentioned mentioned here in this article, guys, I'll link all these articles in the description, that it was going to happen at 3 a.m. UTC. And what time is it now? It is 10 a.m. UTC. And so the Binance upgrades were going to happen at 3 a.m. and they said that it would take roughly 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours, so they should be done around now. I'm just going to go to my Binance and do a quick refresh, and nope, still suspended. So there we go. Give it another hour or so, and I'm sure they will hopefully get this sorted at that point. More bullish market news here. Ripple XRP moons as crypto analysts call massive Bitcoin rally. And these are just a few people who are quote unquote experts in the crypto space. A number of crypto analysts who have been staunchly bearish for months are starting to change their tune. Well, I should hope so. Civic CEO Vinny Lingham says he's now bullish. Meanwhile, crypto analyst Willy Woo is also flipping, saying bull season is now at 99%. Well, that is quite a bold statement, Willy Woo. So Vinny Lingham, what part of I'm bullish on Bitcoin if it breaks and holds 6,200 for 24 to 48 hours is ambiguous? Yes, I'm now bullish on Bitcoin. Do I think we will hit 20,000 in the next month? Absolutely not, but anything is possible. And then Willy Woo talks about the 200-day moving average. I took a look at this statement here and I thought to myself, how ridiculous is this? I mean, maybe he's just covering his basis either way, because when you look at the Bitcoin chart, let me just go back to Bitcoin, and you look at the market and you look at how crazy it can be. And what did he say? That we probably won't reach 20,000 in a month, right? He said 20K in the next month. Although you look at this chart and you think to yourself, look at the last bull run where we were at. So this green line here denotes where we're trading at currently. And if you just go to the last bull run, we were in this zone around November 20th, 21st, 23rd, and 24th, 2017. And then sure enough, boom, Bitcoin hits 20,000 by December 16th, 2017. So this only took literally a month, and he's saying we probably won't do it, but anything is possible. So a good way to cover your butt on that. A few other analysts here. This I thought was heartbreaking. Retweeted by Cryptopolis, that's at Cryptopolis_X. In my tweets that will not age well folder comes this one. And this poor dude, Richard at CryptoPond, finally dumped all my 40K XRP. Sick of all this false news with no growth, 28 cents or lower. By next weekend, I've scaled back my knowledge of XRP and only used what Ripple have said. The rest is pure fanboy, SHIT, and I got sucked in. Hello, BNB, BTC, and ETH. Poor you, Richard. I really feel badly. This was obviously from last month here, the 22nd of April, 2019. And yeah, guys, it just goes to show you, even with the haters, who have clearly backed off my comment section since XRP jolted upwards, these people don't get it. They don't understand. They are very impatient, and really, some of them probably need to take some medication for whatever condition they have. From XRP Crypto Wolf, that's at XRP Crypto Wolf, Ripple Director of Regulatory Relations Ryan Zagone said that technology like crypto and blockchain need to be a national security and economic issue for the U.S. to ensure that the country is the leader, since it will be part of our future infrastructure. And here's the article here, guys. Technology needs to be here. I'll just read the quote here. There's a broad discussion in Washington around 5G being dominated by foreign firms and the U.S. being reliant on foreign technology and foreign expertise. With blockchain and crypto, I think there's a recognition now that these will be part of our future infrastructure. It's important both for national security and from an economic perspective that the U.S. is a leader in that. And this is really important. Something that we have not talked about, at least not on this channel, and I don't even think in terms of Ripple and crypto space and the US and government and regulations in general. If we make cryptocurrency a national security issue, and I mean us as in the United States, I'm speaking broadly in terms of the United States, this will get the fire under government's butts to make the regulations, shape the regulations in such a way that it will make cryptocurrencies like XRP, it'll allow them to do well in the space because of the purpose they serve, while demonizing other particular cryptocurrencies. I don't want to say demonizing, but maybe harnessing other cryptocurrencies. And so to make it an issue of national security, something that is far, far more important than many other issues we have in this world, if we can get it under that bar, if it has that kind of priority, then crypto regulations will come to pass a lot quicker. And not only that, the US's technology, from a technological standpoint, from a control standpoint, the US will be able to leverage that, and American companies like Ripple and cryptocurrencies like XRP will thrive. Just my opinion, an angle that I haven't even thought of before in terms of the making it a national security issue. So really interesting things going on in the crypto space, guys. And as the market keeps moving up, will we see a correction soon? It's anybody's guess. BTC is almost breaching its recent high of about 83 and change. Right now trading at 81.90. So only time will tell if we're going higher from here. Anyways, that's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.